Welcome to my channel compconnection. Today I shall demonstrate 5 useful methods to speed up your work in Excel. Use these tips and tricks to improve your efficiency using Excel at office work. You can download the Excel files for practice of this tutorial. The link is given in the description box. My first tip is how to unhide or hide rows or columns in Excel. Place the cursor on a column that you want to hide. We want to hide this column. For this, select the entire column and press Ctrl plus 0. Ctrl plus 0 to hide a column. And you see a thin double line appears. Here, it indicates that where the hidden column resides. For unhide, select the column before and after the thin double line, right? And then press Ctrl plus Shift plus 0. Ctrl plus Shift plus 0 to unhide a column. We follow the same method to hide the multiple columns. Just follow this method. How to hide and unhide a row. For this, suppose we want to hide these rows, we select the entire row and press Ctrl plus 9 from our keyboard. Ctrl plus 9. And here we see the same thin line appears. We just select the rows before and after the thin line and press Ctrl plus Shift plus 9. Ctrl plus Shift plus 9 to unhide the row. We can also hide the multiple column and we follow the same procedure. My second tip, how to move rows or columns up or down and left to right consecutively. We first discuss about column. First, select the entire column that you want to move. We want to move this column. Therefore, select the entire column. Place the cursor on the edge of the selection and you will see the cursor change into four-headed arrow icon. Hold on the Shift key from your keyboard and press left mouse button and move the column where you want to shift it. We want to shift it here. You will see a bold line. Now leave the mouse button first and then leave the Shift key. The column shifted. Do the same process to shift multiple columns. Now we discuss about rows. First, we select the entire column and after selecting the entire column, hold the Shift key from your keyboard and move the rows where you want to shift. We want to shift between invoice number 91 and 85. So first, release the mouse button, then leave the Shift button. Okay, it is shifted. Do the same process to shift the multiple rows. My third tip is shortcut keys to insert rows or column in a worksheet. Of select the entire row and then press Shift plus Control from your keyboard and press plus sign. A new row inserted. Press F4 button several times to insert multiple columns. F4 button press several times to insert new rows. F4 repeats the list command. We follow the same method to insert a new column. Select the entire column. Then press Ctrl Shift from your keyboard and press plus button. For multiple columns, press F4 several times. My fourth tip is keyboard shortcut to delete a row or column. To delete a column, suppose we want to delete this column. First, select the entire column and from your keyboard, press Ctrl and minus button. Ctrl and minus button. Suppose you want to delete this column, select the entire column and press Ctrl and minus button. To delete a row, first select the entire row and then press Ctrl and minus button. A custom format which may come in handy. This is a data table. First select all the data and then click right button, select format cell, custom, click 0. If it is not already selected, then click 0. Then select it and write semicolon twice. Click OK. Now you see these datas are hidden. Twice semicolon hide all the numbers but not the text. To get back the data again, select select the table, then right button, format cell, custom, select 0. OK. The data gets back again. Now select all the table again and click right button, format cell, custom, 0, press semicolon thrice, 3 times semicolon, then click OK. 3 times semicolon hides all the data, text and numbers. To get back the data, select the full table, click right button, format cell, custom, 0, OK. All data gets back.